Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel where we help you learn the skills you need to succeed in the digital world. Today, we're going to talk about the 5 steps you can take to become a beginner graphic designer. Whether you're interested in designing logos, websites, or marketing materials, these steps will help you build a solid foundation to start your journey. Step 1. Learn the basics. The first step to becoming a graphic designer is to learn the basics. This includes learning about color theory, typography, layout design, and using design software like Adobe Photoshop, Illustrator, and InDesign. You can find many online courses, tutorials, and books that cover these topics. Make sure to practice what you learn by creating your own designs and experimenting with different techniques. Step 2. Build your portfolio. Once you have some basic knowledge and skills, start building your portfolio. This is a collection of your best design work that showcases your style, creativity, and expertise. Your portfolio can include personal projects, school assignments, or freelance work. Make sure to keep your portfolio up to date and organized, and share it with potential clients or employers. Step 3. Network and collaborate. Networking and collaborating with other designers, artists, and professionals can help you learn new skills, get feedback on your work, and find job opportunities. Join online communities, attend design conferences and meetups, and collaborate on projects with other designers. This can also help you build relationships and establish yourself as a credible designer in the industry. Step 4. Get feedback. Getting feedback on your work is crucial to improving your skills and growing as a designer. Share your designs with other designers, friends, and family members, and ask for constructive criticism. You can also join online forums or groups where you can get feedback from other designers in the industry. Step 5. Keep learning and growing. Finally, keep learning and growing as a designer. The design industry is constantly evolving, and new software and techniques are being developed all the time. Stay up to date with the latest trends and technologies, and continue to improve your skills through online courses, workshops, and mentorship programs. That's it for today's video on the 5 steps to becoming a beginner graphic designer. Remember, it takes time, practice, and patience to become a great designer. So, thanks for watching.